The Tulsa City County Library System not only serves the city of Tulsa, it also serves other communities in the Tulsa County. In addition to serving residents, the library system also serves those who own property in Tulsa County, go to school, either secondary or university, and those who work in the Tulsa County. This makes the library an essential resource for a community which varies in age, culture, race, income, etc. For example, you can see here that the system serves not only Caucasian people, but also those of African American, Asian, Hispanic, and Native American descent, among others. This presentation will give a quick overview of the innovative ways in which Tulsa's library system is meeting the needs of its users. All links to the library's resources, policies, and other documents mentioned in this presentation can be located in the accompanying pages of this website. The system is comprised of 24 locations, each of which maintains the typical library services, along with some specialized branches that are housed in different library branches. Each location utilizes the concept of the roving librarian by providing its employees with iPads to assist patrons as they move about the library buildings. Here you can see one example of the newest branch, Hardesty, and their innovative approach to space with Connors Cove, an auditorium specifically dedicated to children and teens programming. In an area with so many cultures and ethnicities, Tulsa's system stands out with its dedication to the major cultural representations in the area. Not only is this evident in the resources in various languages, but it can also be seen in the specialized resource centers and Tulsa's dedication to providing diverse programming. Here you can see an example of some of the library system's policies and its dedication to providing a safe location for every person in the community. The rest of the library system's policies can be found on the website. Some of my favorite highlights are the procedures involved with the tornado threat, which is one of the main concerns in this portion of Tornado Alley, and the safety policies not only for the buildings, but also for bookmobiles and other vehicles on library property. The services that the Tulsa library system provides are not only limited to the library building space. In addition, the library system supports outreach through such services as a homework club, bookmobile services taking information out into the neighborhoods, homebound services for those unable to leave their homes, and for the elderly with services to the nursing homes, retirement villages, and assisted living areas. With the current trend of digital access, Tulsa Library System has added the availability of several databases and digital lending applications to its resources. These include resources to provide ebooks, audio downloads, music, movies, newspapers, and access to digitally archived local history databases. Some of these include Overdrive, RB Digital, and Hoopla. They are available for use with a valid library card. Services include not just those in the digital sphere. The library system also offers at its locations the checkout of print materials for all ages, languages, and interests. A variety of programs to appeal to all interests can be found at each location, and the library meeting rooms at each location are available for the public to use. You will be able to find a schedule of these programs in the links on this webpage. Attribution and adherence to copyright laws and regulations are of extreme importance to the Tulsa library system. Here you can see a few of the laws and regulations stated in the system's copyright policies. Further explanation and statements can be found in the links on this website. The library system continues to serve the community and plan for future developments in this service through their strategic plan. The current plan is for the years encompassing 2017 to 2020. The plan is tied to the mission and goals of the library and a link to the entire plan can be found in the links on this website. Of course, no library building is complete and effective without the library staff which serve the patrons each day. One of the library system's goals is to cultivate engaged employees. Their all-in statement, with its focus on being intentional, creative, authentic, and transparent, ensures that their employees know which standards they need to meet and to feel as if they are an integral part of the library system's function. Lastly, the Tulsa Library System's goal of strengthening the community comes into play through its integration of technology and e-learning. The library system offers homework assistance, online, job help, language learning, e-learning opportunities such as in-library classes, lynda.com, and Universal Class, and tutorials for library resources in order to assist the betterment of the community. I hope you gleaned a wealth of information from this brief overview of the Tulsa Library System services. You will find links to more in-depth information and documents to help with generating ideas and suggestions for application of the Tulsa Library System's ideas and creativity on this supporting website.